This poem is by Clare Bevan. It's called Letters to the Three Pigs, found in a gingerbread filing cabinet at the King of the Castle Planning Office. Dear Mr. Pig, we notice you've built a house of straw. You didn't ask permission. You didn't say what for. You didn't ring our office. You didn't write, and so our big bad wolf will be right round to huff and puff and blow. Dear Pig and Co, we're puzzled. Some creatures never learn. You've built a house of wooden planks, the sort that's bound to burn. The sort that's full of woodworm. The sort that causes trouble. Our big bad wolf will be right round to smash your place to rubble. Pig partners, now you've done it, you're either rude or lazy. You've gone and built a house of bricks to drive our planners crazy. You didn't dig foundations, you knew we'd have to ban it. Our big bad wolf will be right round to blast you off the planet.
Dear brothers Pig, our greetings. We huffed, we puffed, we blew. We even stormed your chimney, but nothing bothered you. Our big sad wolf will be right round to pay you our respects and offer you a splendid job with Beanstalk Architects.